Hello, this is your friend Surendra, and I would like to welcome in my these tutorials. Today we are going to learn about how to make GIF graphic interchange format animated uh, animated image. Okay, so like later I'm going to show you here. Here I have created one image, so you can see like this. See here is a very pretty simple and by using Google Slide. So we are going to use here Google Slide that I will show you the we have to log in the Google first. I'm going to open the browser first, and here this is my browser, and then here. Okay, so by default later I'm going to start from first. So this is my Google Chrome, and I'm going to use my own account, share skills, and here this is my account. I have login, so here you can find here I have login. So I'm logging with this share skills, and then here we can find the Google Apps. In this Google Apps you can find here slides, one icon slides, or you can find here Google Slides as well. As if you click on this Google Slide, you can find this um, this screen, and here we can find. So here is Google Apps, so you can find. So here's the blank. You have to choose the one blank page. So um, I have made another video about the Google Slides, so you can go through that my video. And here, so when you'll open it the first time as a blank presentation, you can find here is the title. So here you can change, you can give here any particular name. So I'm going to write here GIF image. Okay, and this is my uh, outline pan, and this is my slide pan, and this is theme. It is the only task pan. So I'm going to close this task pan so that I can find in different way. So let's here we have to click on this slide and edit theme, so that we can make our own edit theme. Okay, so just click at this edit theme, and you can find here you can edit your own way. So uh, by default we can find this all the different themes. So you can click at here, you can find the different types of themes. These all are different themes, and I'm not going to talk about this all. So today I'm going to talk about the first themes, that first one. So this is my first page. If you'll change whatever anything, that if you'll insert, that will be the same theme or same with the same background. So I'm going to change here background first. Okay, so by default it looks like this, and it's a white background. And right click it here, you can find here change background. Just click on the change background, right click somewhere else. Okay, so not in this not in this placeholder. So there you can find here placeholder. Out of this placeholder, just right click here in this corner, and you can find here change background, and it provides you some options like a color. You can change the color if you wish, like this. So and if you're done, then it will show like this types of color. But I would like to take you like image, so we can choose the image. And when you choose the image, you can find here upload and webcam, link, photos. Even you can find here photos. From photos you can change your background by Google Drive if you have saved somewhere in your Google Drive. And I'm going to use here Google Images. So your images, you can search here Google Images. So let's I'm going to write here so flowers. Okay, so I'm going to write here flowers, so that we can find like flowery types of background. So like this, you can choose any one of this background. So okay, so I'm going to choose this one, and done. So you can find pretty, it's a smaller background, but it does not make any difference, I think, for us. So okay, let it be. It looks pretty good. And then just click in this side, left side here, this icon, small icon, slide icon. If you click it here, it will automatically close like this. And if you want to open again that slide and then edit theme, you can go back to that particular like a slide master. It looks like a slide master. And okay, so here you can work. Now if you'll insert here any, like just click it here and just press enter key, and you can find with the same background. See here, you can find how many numbers up you will insert, you can find the same background slides. So okay, so here we can find here dotted outline box. These are the my slides, sorry, placeholder. So let's, I'm going to remove this placeholder so that I can find here some other word. Well, so um, and I have prepared some, I have inserted some images, that also you can do. I think it's okay, so let's uh, okay, let, I'm going to insert some images, or you can insert that just only text, or okay, so let um I'm going to show you here one image. So let's here you can find namaste. Okay, when you click it here, you can find like this types of namaste or namaste png. If you'll do, then I think that could be better. So you can like png namaste, like this types of, you can find here images, so that you can take any one photos from here, any one image from here. So let's, I would like to go with the first one. Okay, so this one or this one. Okay, so it looks better, I think. Or you can add from here. Okay, so this one probably, how does it looks like? Okay, so uh okay, so I think this is wastage of time, so anyone you can choose. So let's, I'm going to choose this one, and just right click it here and then copy image. Okay, so you just copy the image and you can paste here somewhere else, so it looks like this. And okay, so let's, I'm going to resize it, but it is not png, I'm sure this is not png. So let's, I'm going to remove this. So I must go with png format. So that is png, it's also not png image. Okay, so let, I have here some images that I'm going to find that from my save here. Let's Google Drive. Okay, so let's, I'm going to open so that you can you can see here I have made as how I have made, so that I think it will be pretty easier. So there I have here altogether 13 slides, 13 slides, and here I'm just going to show you here, like this all are like separate words, separate words from here, word art. Just if you click it here, word art, so insert, and then here you can find word art. If you click at just word art, it will provide you something like this. And if you'll just like w, so let's, I'm going to write here just w, and okay, so click here somewhere, here you can find this w, or you can change the color if you wish. So let's, I'm going to change color, so this color. Okay, and if you change outline, that also you can change, like this outline also you can change, and you can resize it as, okay, so I have done like this. So here is this word, and you can format this word as well as, no, so here is the format option. So you can find here format options like position and shadow reflection. That reflection is pretty good if you'll do this okay, so let's, I'm going to show you a little distance, and then size, you can see here, you can find the size, so you can see the reflections, that also you can do. So but I'm not going to do this right now, later on you can try, please. So here is a single word at the first slide I have done, and then here this hand, uh this hand I have just crop this hand. Okay, so it was like this. Let's, I'm going to show you here. Suppose okay, so it was the single hand like this, and then I have cropped in two different. So when you click it here, you can find the crop option. So from here you can crop it. Okay, so here, from here you can crop it. So if you do like this, then so that you can make separate line, and here, and then increase the slide in next slide, like we one word, you can just increase here just I have done like this. See here assets. So if you click it here and just move them little off, so here I have done like this. Okay, so I think it's pretty good and easier, so that you can make just copy paste copy paste copy paste slide, and then increase that one letter automatically, so that finally if you come here and then increase the size. After doing this, suppose this my page is here and I have done this all the things. Okay, so this all the things I have done, I have inserted. That you can do, I think you can insert it after creating this file. Here I have done here welcome. Okay, so my file name is welcome. After creating this file, you have to open on another website, so please mind it open, you have to another website. So create keep in mind. So let I'm going to show you here that my website now here, tall tall tits. Okay, so tall tits, when I do this tall tits, this is tall tits. Okay, so tall tits, and when you click it here, it says that tall tits convert Google Slides to GIF. Okay, GIF format. Okay, GIF format. So graphic interchange format. So just click it here, but you have to assign it at first. So if you have assigned, then it will allow you to select the information. So you have to assign. It allows you to assign you with this particular slide, sorry, account, and then when you click it here, it will provide you that all the slides. So let's I'm going to choose this one. So this one, this is my presentation, and then here is the select. So you can just see here, you can find here the select option. After this selecting, you just go to the select option. It will provide you some options like how many seconds you want to move with that, or you want to animate with that all the text. That could be better. So please remember that website, tall tits, TWEETS, tall tweets, TALL, tall tweets. And obviously we can find, so let for a while I'm going to okay, so it shows like this. See here, this is our um, file, and then GIF image with pixel. Of course you can give you the pixel if you wish, but I want to leave it as it is. So slide duration, in second, so it is better to use in second. So 0.2 second or 3 second you can do. So I'm going to use the 2 second, and then sequence of slides. If you want to separate, then you can show, but I'm not, I don't need. Okay, so only this much. So duration, you have to just define the duration, how long you want to display with this all. And see here, it looks like it's a pretty good way you can find here. And if you want to save it, or if you want to share, if you want to tweet this, and if you want to change some, of course you can change again here from here, and again you can create the GIF format. So it's I have created, and you can just save it. And after saving, you can find this all in your file. So I'm going to show you after saving here in download file. So see here, this is my image. So you can find it's a pretty good way. So in this way you can create your GIF. So that's all. Thank you.